On this episode of Exploring New Spaces.
Wash the pain away.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I only getting the opportunity to greet you guys right now after traveling the beautiful road in the area of Limpopo, but I will be giving you specifics. I don't know how to pronounce this place's name, but it ends with a berg. That's all I know. Okay, it's quite cold here. I kind of underestimated the weather, even though I tried checking it out. But anyway, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to another vlog of Exploring New Spaces. And you guys know that I'm situated in South Africa, Limpopo. Limpopo is a province in the north in South Africa. And also, if you're new to my channel, I'm just letting you guys know that Exploring New Spaces is a segment where I go to different places and I kind of give you guys like an idea of how it looks like, because when I would research about places, I wouldn't find how they looked like. So this is me plugging you guys. And yeah, so we're supposed to be here for a hike. I'm just gonna go get my laptop before they close the car, but we're supposed to be here for a hike. An 8-kilometer hike. It's drizzling, it's cold, it's not looking cute, and the girl is not wearing warm either. So we'll see how this goes, but please tune in because I'm super excited to take you guys with me. Let me give you guys a mini tour. So this is the bathrooms, I'm assuming, for the ladies and for the gents. So there's like a couple of, this is cute. And I think that's about it with how this place looks like. This fire looks more inviting than the one that we went to, so I think I might just want to come here, child. But yeah, other than that, this is how the vibes are. Guys, we are legit on top of a mountain. Oh my god. Oh my god. Child. One thing about these people, they're not scared of falling off this cliff. Hi baby. Hi baby. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Like we're walking in. And then that goes down there. You can see there. And then those are the mountains. Hey guys, so just to give you an update, we are still at it. The goal is to end up at the waterfall, which I'm super excited to show you guys. So I haven't been shooting the whole entire hike because I'm trying not to fall down. Child, you need to pay attention where you're going because it's rocky. It's just, you just need to pay attention. So I think so far we've done 3 kilometers and we're supposed to do 7, right? and by the end part will be the waterfall. So obviously Johan has to finish those kilometers because I'm trying to catch the waterfall and I'm trying to show y'all the content. But it's beautiful here, the views, the mountains, it's just gorgeous. So let's do this. My legs are literally shaking. Ma. Okay, you guys, so we finally hit the waterfall. There's a lot going on here.
Yes,
There's a lot going on here.
No, look at us.
The chocolate,
Yo, we look like a mess, like the ghetto.
Not
The ghetto.
There's a lot going on here, guys. I literally almost died.
Thanks for the experience, but we are not coming back. That one
That was guaranteed. No, guys.
Where do you want to go?
But where do you want to go? Fela. Arutha hike arena. Sharp.
This is once in a year.
There's a lot going on here, guys. My wig is soaking wet. Honestly, I've conquered him.
Yeah, Olairi, Sala. Mindful of your head.
Oh no. One thing about this experience, child, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Guys, there's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on here. Jehovah Jireh, Rauleka Jehovah. No way. Can I walk? Oh my gosh, no. I'm not enjoying this at all. I'm not enjoying this. There's a lot going on here. Guys, re namela thaba, utlwa. Re namela thaba. There's a lot going on here. Oh! Hey, oh! Hey! Hey, guys, viewers! Woo! There's a lot going on here.
Not on Friday.
Guys! I cannot. Let me show y'all. Okay, so first of all, we were on this, I think it's called like a mountain truck. I don't know what it's called. If you can see down below there, it's like mountains. You can see the floor. I don't know if you guys can see it to that extent. We were literally driving on top of a mountain. That's a rock. We had to reverse. Guys, it was just a scary experience. But if you are one person that loves these things, I definitely recommend it. You know, it's once in a lifetime experience. So definitely go check it out and enjoy and don't be scared like I was.
It's so like there's so many ways.
So that's about it, you guys. We're about to go home now. Yo. It was interesting. It was really, really nice. But like honestly, I'll give you guys an honest review as soon as I get home because
Oh, daddy. Yes, child. Driving me crazy. Is this my bed?